So that's all easy, all right? So what are the forces in the ocean? Which type of forces exist in the ocean? Okay, and they're not that many. And you can classify forces. You can think about forces that generate currents. You can think about forces that retard currents, that slow down currents. And there's also forces that deflect the pathway of currents. Okay, not the speed stays the same, but the direction changes. So forces that generate currents, again, you can do a sub-classification. You can classify them as external forces exerted on fluid boundaries, and that's the wind stress force. Tangential wind stress is a frictional force exerted by the wind. And there are internal forces, that's forces exerted on water parcels, and one are pressure gradients, okay, horizontal pressure gradients, I should be more precise, and there are tidal forces, and we talk about the tides later on. Under 2, the forces retarding currents, there is friction. Friction always works opposite to the flow direction, okay, and slows down currents. Okay, we talk about internal and bottom friction. Okay, number 3, there is a force that changes the direction of the current if it's on its own. Okay, so if there's no other force, it changes the direction of the current. I have to be very clear here. It's called the Coriolis force. Okay, so what's the Coriolis force?